Hello everyone, my name is Sahara Islanoy and this is my creative retelling story titled Beowulf, the hero who chose honor over fear. Long ago, in a time when monsters roamed the earth and courage defined a man's worth, there lived a warrior whose name would echo through history, Beowulf. This is a tale from the early English period, with honor, loyalty, and faith rule the life of men. In the lands of Danes stood a great hall called Heorot, built by King Hrothgar as a place of joy and celebrations. But every night the sounds of laughter turned into screams of terror. A monster named Grendel, born of darkness and hatred, attacked the hall and killed innocent warrior. For 12 long years, the people lived in fear. Across the sea, a young Greek warrior named Beowulf heard of their suffering. Driven not by riches but by honor and loyalty, he sailed to Denmark to help King Hrothgar. Beowulf believed that a true hero must rely on strength, courage, and faith in fate. That night Beowulf waited for Grendel, unarmed. As the monster fought without weapons, when Grendel attacked, Beowulf seized him with a powerful hand. The hall shook as they struggled. At last Beowulf tore off Grendel's arm, and the monster fled into the darkness to die. The people rejoiced. Peace returned briefly. Grendel's mother soon rose from the deep, seeking revenge. Without hesitations, Beowulf followed her into her watery lair. With bravery and the help of a magical sword, he defeated her, proving once more that courage must face even the unknown. Years later, Beowulf became king. In his old age, a dragon threatened his people. Though weakened by time, Beowulf chose to fight. He defeated the dragon but was mortally wounded. As he lay dying, he accepted his fate with peace, knowing he had lived with honor. Beowulf's story reflects the values of early English culture, heroism, loyalty, faith, and honor. It teaches us that true greatness is great measure by power alone, by, but the but the courage, selflessness, and the willingness to protect others. Through centuries have passed, Beowulf's spirits live on, reminding us that even in the face of fear, a brave heart can become immortal. That's all. Thank you, everyone.